Okay, so we've got the Sony A7R III, we'll call it that, and it's supposed to be a mirrorless camera, so let's turn it around. This is from eInfin store, and if it is as good as from what I hear, like, then I'm gonna go back there probably, because cheaper, it may wait a little bit, but cheap is cheap. You can't beat that. And it's new. It's never been used before. Perfect condition. So we've got I'm opening it on the chair because I haven't got any other place to really open it. Got some lunch over there, so on the chair is fine. So we've got a little nice UK charger, which is good. They know that I'm in the UK, so should have the right sort of settings and everything else. You got your information stuff. Oh, you got your little strap, your A7 strap. What else you got here? What's in here? Oh, you got the battery. That is a thick boy. Look at that. Jesus. Thick. In here, oh, you got the charger. So this all goes together. And what else do you have? Oh, something else inside. Oh, you got your USB Type-C. Put that there. And you got your little, I'm not too sure what this is. It kind of came with it. I think I know what it is, but not entirely sure. So that's all the compartments opened. You know, because I don't really care too much about what that was, I'm just going to put this thing back. Not too bothered. Close that compartment. We've looked in there. And now for the camera. Oh my god. Oh, it's quite small, but it's got a certain weight to it. Like, this is small. Like, my DSLR was kind of big, and this thing is, like, small. This can do everything a DSLR can, but better. Let's put that there. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, damn. I was dreaming of this camera, like, a year ago, and now I have it. Oh. A7R III or 3, and look at the top, 4K. Oh, it's got that dual slot for the SD cards. Where is it? We can open it. That, oh, nice. No, that's no damage. Wow, that is a perfect screen. No damage whatsoever. It might get a little bit of scratches on it. And, ooh, let's take that off and see what that looks like. Ooh, that is really smooth. It's like it's sort of magnetized. And it releases it really nicely. It's not magnetized at all. Oh, wow, that is so clean. Oh wow, it's got that purpley reflection to it. This is a mirrorless camera. It is actually got quite a hefty weight to it considering its size. But yeah, this is really good. It really like tightens up really nicely. Put this case thing on. Oh, that is like the camera I was dreaming of, and it is sexy. It is a really beautiful design, to be honest. It's kind of like, it's compact, does everything you want to do, 4K. Oh wow, that is really nice. This, you put your finger down on to like taking a picture of something. Ooh, that is smooth. I can see how you can get a lot of pictures with this. I mean, I need to charge the battery up and everything else before I use it, but this is really lovely. Whew, I'm glad I sold everything for this now. Okay guys, look, so here we have the E-mount lens. Let's undo it. Took a while, and we'll blow it out. Or so I thought. Okay, for US customers only, that's irrelevant information because we're in the UK. And here is the lens. Okay, so let's bring it over here onto the chair. One, and that's two. And here is the lens. Oh, look at that clean finish. I won't undo it because it takes 3 hands to hold the camera and undo the lens, but it is perfect condition and it is very nice.